Retain. To keep or hold. Retain. Indicate. To say something in a clear way. Indicate. Assess. To carefully look at or evaluate something to understand it better. Assess. Deteriorate. To become worse or less good over time. Deteriorate. Proceed. To come before something else in order or time. Proceed. Refute. To prove that something is not true or correct. Refute. Redundant. Something that is unnecessary or more than what is needed. Redundant. Scrutinize. To carefully examine or inspect something very closely. Scrutinize.